Hey guys, we are showing you this Zukro 24 ounce tumbler. It's a ceramic tumbler that comes in a really nice box or a gift box. And let me just open this up and show it to you all these things. So this is a teal color as you can see and comes with an extra lid. And this is the main cup. This is the extra lid with the sipping thing here. So you can use this just to sip. So this is for the straw. And you can also change this lid and make it the other sippy top thing. So this is a great, like it have two lids and the great two things in here. Then this have a ceramic coating inside. You can see this is nice ceramic coating, scratchless, so this will not interact with your beverage with the hot or cold, so save the flavor. And also a nice insulated coating from the top, nice handle that you can easily grip and keep it with you. So it's a nice handle, ceramic coating inside, insulated coating outside, nice color, and two lids with the coming straw as well. These are all the waterproof or the anti-water leak lids. I will show that little later on. And this one are the straw or the sippy thing that comes with this tumbler. And this is also a stainless steel thing, comes with a brush, so you can easily clean them and reuse them multiple times. So here for your face or the lips is a soft silicone thing that you can put on the straw and then use it directly. So it's a really nice complete set for the tumbler. And this also comes with this nice straw hole. So say like I'm putting this water just to show the water leak thing along with this lids. And here I just put in the lid and try to just show that, see, no water is dripping out. So it's a very nice tumbler with a water leak feature. The same thing with the other lid. Just be sure that you close it completely after taking out all the air and things. So once this is all secured, this becomes really anti-water leak thing, so no beverages will leak out. You can easily take it anywhere, and very nice, easy to clean and use.